Classic Rosie, I am sending you on the electric chair forcibly.
No, 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 no. Please get me down or else you are grounded.
No, and your groundling is weak as hell. Any last words before your execution?
Please. I love everyone. Don't execute me or else you are grounded like I said a minute ago.
Nobody even cares. Everyone hates you. After your execution, we'll all party as your execution is today, November 4th.
No, no, no. I don't want to get executed during Bonfire Night. I want to watch the show.
You can watch the show when you're a demon in hell. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ha 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 Washington.
She's dead. At Classic Rosie's funeral.
Oh my god! I heard Classic Rosie was executed during Bonfire Night. Now the fireworks were set off.
You're definitely right, Boris.
Yes! I am drinking lots of beer.
Okay, come on and let's ranch up.